What's happening, guys? Hey, thanks for clicking on the video. Today I'm going to be installing a light bar, a new light bar from Auxbeam. Yeah, so this is a 42-inch light bar that actually changes colors. So I reached out to Auxbeam to see if they'd be interested in a collaboration, and they were nice enough to send one out to me to try out. So I already have their 6-button switch panel here. I haven't used all of the buttons yet, but so I had another light bar that ran to that point right there. I took that off. This should be the same mounts that I need because it was the same width light bar that I took off. I'll show you guys what's in the box here, what comes with this light bar. Alright, so this is everything that's included in the box. That's what they call a control box for the different colors. The light bar, obviously, and then a wiring harness with a relay. They got some directions for the mounting, which, like I said, I'm not going to use these mounts. I'm going to use the ones that are already on there. All the hardware and all the wiring. I got to take the seat out of the X3 and a couple panels, and then we'll start putting the new stuff in. Alright, I have it mounted. That's what it looks like. I haven't done the wiring yet. I'll leave a link in the video description for these mounts too, if you guys are interested in buying those. Alright, let's move on to the wiring. Alright guys, so I have everything wired up. Just have to button everything up. All the wires are just kind of hanging right now, but I have it going into that switch panel right where the other light bar was, and then you can actually control it with this as well, but I think I'm just going to cut that out. I don't even really need that. Or maybe I'll leave it like that and tuck it away behind the seat. It also comes with a switch if you don't want to use a rocker switch, or if you don't want to use the gang switch here with the fuse block, you can just use the switch that comes with it. Just a simple on-off switch. But I decided to wire it up through the gang switch so I can use my little switch panel. But I'll button it all up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all put back together nice and clean.